diamond from gold. Maybe you are something I cannot define. Maybe you are the fallen kind. I lay in bed with violence, the silent side of me. We see where fire starts to breathe. When I would lay in silence, the voice inside of me made me lose my mind right. Made me lose my mind right.
It's the 2019 Pronghorn season in Montana. We've been on the road for a good portion of the night trying to get into our area here, get here at the crack of dawn. But we're winding down, we got the last little bit to go, and before you know it, we'll be chasing speed goats once again.
Well, hey everyone. It is,
Like 9 in the morning or something.
yeah, 9:09 in the morning. We're up at our little honey hole area-ish. And today we're just pretty much gonna try and find them.
We haven't found any yet, but we're on the eastern side of the district and we've never been on this side. We did see a good mule deer buck, but we haven't seen a single antelope yet. So we're gonna go back to our normal spot and see if they're there. They're always there. And if they're not, make some phone calls. We'll find them. They're always in here.
On the way up to our normal spot, we're gonna stop and go see Cole, our angel in the sky, see if he can help us out. Stay tuned.
Inside the book that I wrote are all the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the sliver in the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how.
Well, we found a small herd of antelope as soon as we got to our good side here. There is one buck in a herd. He's not very big. He's tall. He's probably about 14 tall maybe. He's just skinny with no cutters or anything. We'll throw in some video of him. You guys can see him. The search continues. And we've just started, so we'll find the big one in here. He's in here somewhere.
Watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me. Drift into places I should leave.
day finished a little rainy and cold. We've got 3 bucks that kind of, I guess you call it the hit list, or that's on our list that we're going to check out. One, he's just a great big buck, heavy, tall, good cutters. There's another buck that we've heard rumor that he's here from a good source. There's some deer right there. And his horns go straight out either side. Just some does, doe and fawns. And then there's another buck we seen in here that was just over where we're staying here, and his horns are just the perfect heart-shaped pronghorn that you'd like to see. So we'll just kind of see what we got in here. Yep, that's day one. We'll see what tomorrow brings. That's day two. We got a little bit of a late start this morning, but it's pronghorn hunting, and you don't need to be out bright and early for them, so heck with it. Got coffee, and we'll go out and see if we can find one. A little chilly this morning, but there's no wind, so that's good. We got partly cloudy. We're hoping they're going to be bedded this morning, maybe up feeding a little bit. Good position. Keep your fingers crossed, and you never know what just might happen. What day is it? Day 3?
Yeah.
Morning of day 3. Last night, stocked up on that buck. We got about 600 yards, but took off. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that same area. They're probably not there, but if they are, we'll take care of them. If not, what we're going to do is we're just going to head southeast and just start walking, get up to the top of these little hills and glass and look, glass and look. We'll come across them somewhere in there. We've got about 8 or 9 miles in here that we can glass and look, and I don't think they went any further than that. So we'll see what we find, and that's another day.
Just trying to keep you guys in the loop. Meet up with him. You? They're still there, babe. They're still there. They're still there.
Got him that time.
Yeah, you got him. He's down. He's not down, but he's.
We were coming back from that herd that busted us, and as hunting goes, we crested the hill on the one land we do have permission to hunt on, and there's a whole bunch of them standing beside the road, so we did the belly crawl. I don't know if Crystal really got any of that on film. I don't know. It was just kind of a hurry up, let's get this done before they see us. And the shot was at 2:37, I want to say. And I had the buttstock rested on a rock, and it felt steady, but the second I went to go squeeze, it slipped off that rock. Bullet went way over his back. So they ran to the top of the hill, and the buck was on the left side, and I had to wait for him to clear the does while I got another round in the chamber. Finally, he gave a good enough shot before they took off, and we nailed him. I'm not sure exactly where. I was holding high shoulder on him. But we'll go see where we got him. He's just laying down there, so. Antelope hunting, you just never know when it's going to happen. That's a good buck.
And you were afraid he was a tiny buck.
Well, I didn't know. I knew he wasn't tiny, but he'll break 70. Nope, that's what we want. That's exactly where I was holding, so. Thank you, Mr. Buck. Thank you. Alright, now the fun begins. Drive the truck out there.
You can have him. Wait. Oh, no. On him. He's pooping.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, you got him. You blew him apart.